Hello my painting friends and welcome to 2021. Let's hope it's a wonderful year. What you're seeing on my desk at the moment is a book that I picked up at the op shop. I think it cost about $2, and it's actually a catalogue of all Queen Elizabeth's paintings that are in Buckingham Palace and other homes that she occupies. And I'm using this book as a journal. I'm altering the book. So with the paintings that are in there, the pictures of them, I gesso over them, and then I've been rubbing back parts of the gesso to expose some of the original painting. So that's one there that you can see that I've done, and I just rub back a bit of the mother and the baby so they pop through. And this one is going to be all about how I'm feeling throughout 2021. I haven't actually written anything on the little swatches there yet. I'm going to be showing you how I created this particular journal page with purple and green as my complementary colour scheme. And this is the page I used, and I'm just scraping back some of the, or sandpapering back some of the gesso to expose the faces, and I want those warm colours to show through underneath all the collage and everything. I've made my journal page as part of the Take 5 Art Challenge with Kira Pace. There's a link to her channel in the video description. So each month you get a list of prompts to use. The first prompt is a complementary colour scheme plus black and white. So I've chosen purple and green. And a background technique of some sort, and with mine it's collage. A focal image that represents the new year for me, so mine will be the little girl walking down the path, and then a second layer of my complementary colours, but in a different medium. So I use acrylic paint, so that's collage and acrylic paint are my two techniques. And then my word for 2021 is determined. And that's what I am, and I'm determined that I will make videos the way I want to make them. I'm not going to be comparing myself to other people, worrying about how many views I've got, worrying about how many subscribers I've got. That's all gone. That's gone out the door with 2020. And I'm forging my own path, and I'm only going to do things that I want to do this year, within reason, of course. So that's why I've chosen the word determined and the little girl who's determinedly walking down that path in the sand. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope you love the way the page turns out. I'm really happy with this. I love purple and green. They're my favourite colours. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you're interested in art related videos, consider subscribing, leaving me a thumbs up or a comment. Let me know in the comments what you think of the actual page, whether you like it or not, and we'll hopefully see you back here again. Hope you enjoy this.